You're watching Hexus TV, and we are in our run-up to Computex. And with Computex coming up, there are going to be lots of new products launching, and Antec have very kindly come to our studio before the show to show us two of the products they're going to be launching at the show. With me is Christoph Katzer, who is the PSU marketing manager for Antec. And Christoph, tell us about these two new products here. Is it new ranges or these new products? What
yeah, there's actually two new series we want to introduce at Computex. We call it the High Current series.
Okay.
We have actually two versions, the High Current Gamer series and this one High Current Pro.
Okay.
So we aim for different markets with those series. And,
okay, so let's have a look at the Gamer series first. So this one is, I notice it's not a modular power supply.
Yes, it doesn't come with cable management because with this power supply we aim for the mainstream market, and for cable management we have our True Power New series. This comes with cable management, 80 plus bronze. So this certain product comes with our cable management, and for high-end products we have cable management for the High Current Pro.
All right, so if we just have a look at the Gamer, you've called it the Gamer because it's got a big red thing on the top.
Yes.
I see. Okay.
It's actually It's for the mainstream gamer.
Right.
It will have a very attractive price and a very wide range of wattages.
Look at your cables while you talk. Go on.
Yeah, ranging from 400 to 900 watts. This is actually the 900 watts power supply. We have 6 different models, and actually the 900 and 750 is coming with this nice red frame.
Right.
And the other ones are without this frame, but totally black.
See, what I'm looking for here is I'm looking for a 6 and a 8 pin on the PCIe, and you've got it there. So
actually, yeah, this is the one thing we are changing. This one is an early sample. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So we have still the 6-pin connector on this one, together with a 6 plus 2. But the mass production sample will have 2 of these ones here. So
you can have 2 8-pin if you need it.
Exactly.
Ah, brilliant. Okay, cool. And what's going to be the rough price point on that? Are you allowed to tell me?
It's mainstream market, so we don't have any pricing yet, of course, but it will be definitely very attractive.
I'll give you 20 quid for it.
Okay.
Sweet, lovely. Okay, we'll put that over there. Right, sorted. Right, okay, that's me sorted for one power supply. Okay, and so this one here now, obviously this is the inner workings. They don't come like this. It's not a build it yourself, is it?
Yes, it comes with a total housing.
Okay, so
safe.
This is the inside of the Pro.
Yeah, High Current Pro series.
Right, okay, right. So I've got the 2 halves here. You tell me what's cool about this. Yeah, you can hold that one. Right.
1200 watt power supply. Actually, we went with a dual PCB design.
So this bit goes on top like that.
Exactly. It goes like this, and the 80 centimeter fan on the back. It is really the shortest 1200 watt power supply in the market, and as we will prove in reviews,
that is smaller than that. Look at that.
It will be definitely a very interesting product here.
Okay, all right. So just talk me through here, because I don't know my way around power supplies. I'll be honest, but I can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 big capacitors.
Yeah, normally power supplies have 1 or 2, depending on the wattage, and we in this power supply we added 4 of these capacitors. In this case more is better, and we want to make sure that we can run this power supply in every market in the world. For example, Japan has 90 volt grid power only, so it's very difficult to run this kind of power supply there, so we added 4 of these
right, and what's the advantage of that? Does it clean up the power for the...
Exactly, yeah, it's basically cleaning up your power.
Okay, all right, okay.
And
now,
storing it.
I know I'm not going to pretend to be knowledgeable here, but I know off camera you were telling me that on one part of this board there's 400 volts running on the board.
This part here, you have 400 volts.
There's 400 volts across these caps.
Yeah, 400 volts. So we have these caps are 450 volts and rated with 105 degrees in 105 degrees.
Okay.
And all Japanese made, of course, because they are more reliable.
Okay. And then to get it down to the 12 volt though, you go through. Yeah. You were saying there's something special about your transformer.
Yeah, as you can see, the transformer is very special. It's very long. It's actually this size here. Normal transformers are just this small size here. So this transformer we actually extended in the direction, because what we did actually basically is we have the output, the 12 volt output is on these bars here. This is actually copper. We just plated it to attach the MOSFETs. You will see
The MOSFETs are down here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. We attach the MOSFETs actually directly on the output. That means this is a very high efficient transformer because we're saving some weight. Yeah.
Right. And so who's aimed at this? Is it the power user, the enthusiast that's going to be buying this?
This is actually, yeah, as I said, this will be one of the best power supplies available. So it definitely comes with a certain price tag. We try to keep it low, but this technology we're using is a full bridge phase shift topology, and it's definitely top notch. That's why it will be aimed at the really highest high end.
Okay, you totally had me up until you said full bridge phase shift topology.
But
there we go. I guess that means it's awesome. I guess that means it's awesome.
It's definitely awesome.
Right.
I'm sure about that. Yeah.
And this has got absolutely nothing to do with power supplies, but I have to ask you. I was once told that these switches only have about 1,000 switches on them until they actually break on any power supply. Is that true?
Oh, I don't know about that.
I'll do that because it really annoys Luke on the microphone.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay, so there's only about 950 left.
I mean, you can. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So there we go. So this is going to be launched at Computex. When's it actually going to be available in the market along with the Gamer?
Yeah, the Gamer will be actually coming first. This one will be coming later. We are going into mass production this month to next month. So.
And obviously, this is going to be pricing wise quite a step above the Gamer, is it?
Yeah, because this one is coming with 80+ gold certification. We have with this high current Pro series, we have 750, 850, 1000, and this one is the 1200.
1200 in a tiny package.
We have 4 power supplies with 80+ gold certification, so this one will be top of the line. This will be our best power supply, definitely.
Okay, wonderful. There we go. And so we're going to have a when we go out to Computex, we'll have a look at a fully built sample, won't we?
We will have at that time. Yeah.
Are you going to be there?
Yeah, I will be there.
Fantastic. Okay, so check back soon on Hex's TV because we're already out of Computex whilst you're watching this, probably recovering from jet lag and having a beer with Scott and Christoph because it'll be my birthday. So check back soon for our Computex coverage from Taiwan, Taipei.